Jeff Keenan here. I wanted to do a quick review on this solar Birdbath fountain. So you may have seen these things around. You can put it into your standard bird bath or bucket of water, and the fountain's powered by the solar cells on the front. It has a bunch of different nozzles. Pretty neat little thing. I mean, but once I started using it, I noticed that if you just put this into a standard like bird bath or pan of water, the water, it's going to spray up really high, over a foot, maybe almost 2 feet in the air under full sun. And if it's windy, the fountain the water will get blown away from the fountain and outside and all over the place. So, if you put this in an open container, you're gonna have to refill it like once every couple hours at the minimum to keep water in the fountain. So I came up with a method of putting this in a glass vase, which I also found on Amazon, and then just putting a glass plate over the top. And with that setup, this thing will run constantly for days without ever having to put water in it. It looks pretty cool. The birds seem to like it. I'll post a video of this thing running, and I'll put links in the video description on the solar bird bath I'm using, the glass vase, and also I have a pan that surrounds it that you can fill with water so the birds can actually drink some water. Again, this is a solar bird bath fountain. Please remember to like and subscribe for more help with Wi-Fi and tech products.